Anonymous Sneakerhead. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share the video. Follow my Instagram at Anonymous Sneakerhead. Let's get into today's video. I got something a little different for y'all today, something I'm really excited about. I'm going to go on NIKEid and customize a pair of those React Prestos that everybody's been talking about. I have never personally owned a pair of shoes with the React cushioning in the midsole. Everybody's saying it's the most comfortable thing ever. I have, however, owned a pair of Prestos before, and I do agree that it's a really comfortable shoe. The upper is really comfortable, and it just makes sense to me that if this React is allegedly the most comfortable cushioning that exists, then putting it with a Presto upper, there shouldn't be anything that can match the comfort. So I'm going to go show y'all how I made this shoe on NIKEid, and then when I get this shoe, I'm going to bring it back to y'all, do a review, and see if it lived up to the hype.
Alright y'all, so the first thing I had to do was just open up NIKEid or Nike by You. So that's what you're looking at right here. Clicked on men's to get all the men's shoes, and I'm going to look at the React Prestos. Gotta wait for it to load. Boom, here's the React Prestos. Just hit edit design and let's get to work. The first thing I'm gonna do is check on the midsole, but the midsole you can only have black and white. And that's boring to me, you know what I'm saying? White will get dirty and black. I don't really like the black midsole. But a friend did tell me that if you go back, give me a second, I gotta figure out how to get back here. Just start everything over, go back to NIKEid, blah, blah, blah. Men's. Anyways, like I said, I do know that if you scroll down, you keep scrolling, keep scrolling, keep scrolling. There it is. Boom. You see these two right here? I'll just click on this one. Boom. And this one comes with like 4 different themes. Yes, it's $10 more. Oh shit, it's looks like I only have 17 hours to do this. Good thing I'm doing this now. I was gonna wait till later in the week. Awesome. All right, cool. So that's there, and I'm gonna just start with this one. So we're gonna look at, let's go with what are we thinking here? So it's on Unholy Cumulus. There's the Shady Milkman. I think I'm gonna go with that one. So I'm gonna pick my base situation. I like that. I like that one. Yeah, it was better. This was better. I don't like how the heel was white on the other one. That would have got dirty too easy. I like how it fades to black. Ooh. Okay. I'm feeling it. Let's see what else we got going on here. Alright, so that changes the heel right there. I'm going to leave that white to match the toe right now. Like I said, oh, there we go. We got to go with they got the blue. The 2 different blues. Let me just go with this Guava Ice. That's more like a gum bottom. That's what I was looking for when I started this. I wanted a gum bottom, so got me a nice little gum midsole. Now let's have some fun with it. You can see the little milkman dude in the insole. I think that's funny. But I'm gonna put the little blue Nike swoosh on there to match the little cage we got going on. Let's see what we're doing with these laces. Keep the blue laces. I don't know. Let's see. Let's go back to the cage. And let's make it white. Alright. Maybe let's make it black. Or oil gray. Black, oil gray. Yeah, I like that. I think that's what I'm gonna go right there. Okay, so this is working. What is this? The back heel of the shoe, the forefront. So that's the front of the shoe. I'm gonna make that gray. Just because, like I said, I want the sole to be dark because I don't want it to get beat up too easily. I'm going to be wearing this a lot. So I'll make this. What are we going to make this back? The heel of it. Yeah, that works. I like that. Little ocean vibes right there. Got the little sand with the midsole. Little sprinkle of water, the little white foam, feel me? Alright. Let's see. Nah, nope. No, definitely not. Maybe. Nah. I don't know what you guys think. Nah. Yeah, oil gray's better. That white would have turned brown with the quickness, but Oh well, fuck it. We're gonna go black. I could just crep the toe of the shoe in the heel. What else? What else do I have left to do? Boom, ID. All right, I could put text on here. What should I put on? Let's see. This is the hardest part. Anonymous ASH. Nah, that's corny. That's kind of fire though. ASH, Anonymous Sneakerhead, Ash Kicks. I don't know. I can't do a period, so I can't. AS. No periods. Damn, why the fuck would I put in? Let's see. Fucking Anon. Boom. Anon? Yeah, that works. Let's see. Just might as well just keep it the same. Anon. Boom. Might as well. All right. That works. Next. Oh, I could change the color. You gotta go with the cabana. Keep the little accent joint. Yeah. There you go. I'm liking it. I mean, the insole don't match, but who really cares? My foot gonna be in it. Put a new insole in there if it really bothers me that much. This is fire. I like it. What y'all think? I mean, I don't really care what y'all think. I'm getting it. It's time to go. Done. Boom. Let's add it to the cart. Bow. Oh, I gotta pick my size. Y'all know what it is. Size 12. Feel me? Come on. What's next? Alright, boom. Looks like everything. Let's check out. Bang.
3 weeks later.
Hi YouTube. So first of all, it actually didn't take 3 whole weeks. The website told me that it would take 3 to 6 weeks, but I actually got it in 2.5 weeks. That might be partially because I customized the shoe with only 17 hours left where you could possibly customize a shoe, so they might have just been trying to get it out of the factory and got it to me quicker. So don't count on it coming that quick every single time. But anyways, I got the shoe in hand, and I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I did get it a couple days ago, and I have worn it around a couple times because I just couldn't wait to put it on to do this video. I had a lot going on, so I didn't have time to make the video. But here's the box that it comes in. It comes in an all-white box, the all-white drawer box, and it says Nike by You across the top of it. As you can see, real clean look. Nothing else really on the side of the box. You got your same labeling that you usually get here. And then on the size tag, it says Nike by, I cover my name because you know what it is, but Nike by your name, size 12, my size, and you guys could already see there's the shoe right there. Could you get a better look at it? Boom. Doesn't matter if you get a look at it because I'm about to take it out and show it to you. So you open the box up, and like I said, it's a drawer box, which is really dope. I like boxes like this where you pull it out. Boom. So now we're gonna get the shoe. Here's one. Here's the other. Let me get rid of the. So before I even get into the shoe, just so you guys know, when you do buy a Nike, so it's not called NIKEid anymore. Technically, it's called Nike by You. But when you do buy a Nike by You shoe, the paper in the box that it comes in is pretty cool. You got all of this different. I'm holding it upside down. You got all of this different Nike by You branding. All of these different things. Just do it. Different silhouettes of shoes, basketballs, all that. It's pretty cool. It's I'm gonna save that. I'm gonna save that tissue paper just because it's something different. As you guys can see, you've already seen my videos about the drop front, so I'm breaking down a lot of my boxes. But that one right there, I'm gonna keep that tissue paper, and I don't know how to fold drawer boxes, so I'm gonna keep that box as is, just like I did with my LeBron box. But anyway, let me stop stalling. Let me show you guys the shoe. Let me show you guys what I made. I'll pick up the right shoe right here. Boom. You guys already saw it in me making it, but this is what it looks like in hand. The Nike React Presto custom by me. You guys can see it. Let's see if I could get some better lighting. Give me a second. Boom. Yeah. All right, that lighting's better. So boom, you guys can see the shoe right here. You see the guava ice midsole that was really important to me. It's a little lighter. The guava ice is a little lighter than I thought it would be. It still has the same effect of a gum-ish midsole, but I still like it. I actually think I like the way it turned out better than what it looked like on the app. And you can see I put those, what was it called, Cubana, the blue accents on the laces. on the swoosh right here on the toe box, and then on the forefront of the heel. As I told you guys, I've worn the shoe a couple times already, so it's a little beat up on the bottom, but I'm gonna give you guys an on foot, and then I'll be right back telling you more about the shoe. Alright, y'all, so the Nike React Presto, you guys see what it is. This, you can't buy this colorway, it's 1-in-1 because I customized it. However, I will say, as much as I didn't want to, as much as I wanted to have something different to say than everyone else, this shoe definitely lives up to the hype. The React cushioning is amazing. I don't know if it's just this shoe. Like I said, this is the only shoe I own with React cushioning, or every single React shoe, but when I first put this shoe on, it was like I was just literally just looking for excuses to walk around. Like, it's, I don't know how to explain it other than it's fun. It's just fun to walk. It's fun to stand. It's that comfortable of a shoe. I've never put on a shoe that comfortable. I've owned Vapor Maxes. I've owned different shoes with Zoom cushioning. I've owned Adidas Boost. It's similar. I'd say it's the most similar to Boost cushioning, but maybe it's because it's so thick. You guys see how thick it is? That adds a good inch, maybe inch and a half. It's so thick. I think maybe that's why I'd say it's more comfortable than the Boost cushioning. Also because of this upper right here, this nice soft upper, the Presto upper basically. It makes it really comfortable. The only knock that I have on this shoe, and I don't know if I'd knock it necessarily because of how I personally customized it, but that's the cage that you get on the shoe, the lace cage. I think it works well with the way that I customized it, but I've seen on a lot of other colorways it looks like there's one where the whole upper is black, white midsole, and it has a white cage, and the cage looks so big and clunky that it doesn't necessarily really go with the shoe. But what I have seen also, I've seen people customizing their cage where they would cut around, like they would cut this part off. I've seen the coolest one I saw, they would cut this off and they cut that off, and they just put the laces through this big side hole right here, and it looked almost like the way they laced it looked almost like a Pharrell shoe, one of the human race shoes. But I think, so I'm definitely gonna get another Presto. I might NIKEid it, I might not, but I'm definitely gonna get another one because it's so comfortable, and I want to have as many of them as possible before they stop making them, because you know Nike always stops making great shoes. But I think my next React Presto, I'm gonna try cutting that cage just to see if I could get a different look. If I like it, I'll show it to you guys, tell you how I think about it when I finally get one. But yeah, guys, the Nike React Presto, definitely worth the hype. If you don't have one, go get one ASAP. It is by far the most comfortable shoe I ever put on my foot. Definitely recommend it. Thank y'all for watching the video. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. Do you like the whole idea of me walking you through the process of customizing the shoe, or should I just show you the shoe? Whatever. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share the video, and follow my Instagram @AnonymousSneakerhead. I'll see y'all at the next video.